How to exit Editor Studio in Wix. So as you can see right here, here is my actual studio. So there are several ways to edit or exit it. So first things first is the right one. Make sure to have autosave on and publish any existing things that you have done into your site. So once you have published it, it will actually show you a particular window that allows you to actually see in here this, view the site, and the likes right there. So if you want to actually exit it, just make sure to save it first and then click onto this X icon right here into the actual data or to the actual tab from there. Doing that will exit the editor and it will only prompt you to the dashboard that you can see right here. If you want to open it, just click onto this edit site in order to head back to earlier. So that's how you exit Editor Studio in Wix. Hope you helped.